Welcome to Express by Folding Doors and our world-class manufacturing facility. We're going to give you a behind-the-scenes look into our 200,000 square foot site and give you an insight into what happens in our factories and the processes that we undertake. We're really proud of the processes we have put in place and the departments that make Express the brand that it is. This is our aluminium storage area. Aluminium is shipped to us from various different parts of Europe as we endeavour to source the best quality aluminium we can. We work with the best system houses and we receive deliveries on a daily basis. At any one time, we can carry up to £2 million worth of aluminium, which ensures that our quality and lead time can stay consistent throughout the year, as opposed to ordering aluminium on a contract by contract basis. This is our checking and taping area. This is a critical part of the business for us. At any one time, we have up to 8 technicians constantly checking the profile that arrives with us. We're checking for any imperfections in the profile or the powder coating to ensure that we can meet the quality that both Express and our customers expect. When the profiles have met our quality control process, our aluminium is ready to go through to our machining area. Our industry-leading CNC machinery is the best that money can buy, and it's designed to cut, miter and router aluminium specifically. Over recent years, we've invested over £1.5 million worth of CNC machinery, and this allows for a consistent and accurate finish across all of our product range. Once a profile has been cut and prepared, it is ready for assembly into the product that it needs to be. Once the goods are complete and have met our rigorous quality control checks, it's time for the product to be wrapped. Each product is individually wrapped and allows for one final check before the goods are dispatched to either the customer or one of our 4 nationwide depots. With aluminium providing ultra-slim sightlines, glass remains the focal point for many of our products. We receive deliveries daily from some of the biggest glass manufacturers in the world, which allows us to keep up to date with new technologies and ensures that our glass can provide the best insulation possible. Each piece of glass that arrives with us is cleaned down, inspected and checked to ensure it meets glazing regulation guidelines and our own internal processes. Once the glass has passed our quality standards, it is stored in this specific space for glass storage to ensure the quality remains as it should until it is ready for dispatch.